Hello and welcome to this quick tip tutorial within Lightroom. Really easy, really straightforward, and it might help you out with a little bit of your organisation, and it could end up saving you a little bit of time. So let's start. When you've imported your photographs within Lightroom, it will take you through to the library. Once you're in your library, you'll scroll through your pictures and you'll see pictures that you want to process and you'll see pictures that you don't want to process. To identify them pictures to save you a little bit of time in your develop mode within Lightroom, very straightforward and a good little tip. So for instance, this is a photograph here that I want to use. So I'll highlight it and by pressing the letter P, it will give me a white flag, which will identify that in the develop mode as one that I want to process. Now this is one that I don't want to process. So by highlighting that and on the numlock side, which is the 1 to 9 numbers on the right hand side of your keyboard, by pressing the number 6, it will put a red frame around it. That will identify to me in the develop mode that it's one that I do not need to process because I'm going to delete it at a later stage. Now then, to go into the develop mode, click on develop. And as you can see, this now has already been processed because I've processed it before. But to view this as a before and after is going down. You can do this two ways. You can press the back shift key, which is before and after, by pressing it like this. Or you can hit the Y cycles through between before and after ones, like that. And it'll give you a split screen so you can see the before and the after. And to put it back, just click on the big one, which is the loop view, which takes you straight back to this. But as you can see on the bottom now, the one that I don't want to use and process, it's got a red light frame around it, which is this here. And the one that I do want to use has got a little white flag in the corner at the top left, which is that. So you've identified the ones that you want to use and the ones you don't want to use, so it could reduce the time that you're actually in Photoshop, or Lightroom I should say. The other one is, if you want to view the photograph itself without all the distractions of Lightroom, by pressing the letter L twice, it will darken out the background. So therefore you will get this. So you will see it as only the image without any distractions. By taking it back to Lightroom, press L again, and it brings it all back out. It's like turning a light switch off with a backlight on. Simple as that. So they're the three little things that might help you out within Lightroom itself. I hope you enjoy this. I will be doing some more videos now, especially with lockdown and that. So stay safe. Until the next video, bye for now.